How to block an unwanted website on Firefox. Are you tired of unwanted websites distracting you or posing a risk to your online security? In today's digital age, online security and privacy are the top priority for internet users. Mozilla Firefox, a popular web browser, offers several advanced features to its users regarding the security and privacy of their own personal information. One such feature is the ability to block unwanted websites that might harm the user's data. You can follow several methods to block an unwanted website in Firefox. Here's the step-by-step guide to follow. Block a website using the Block Site add-on. Open Firefox and search for the Block Site option in the add-on store. Click Add to Firefox to install the extension. Once installed, select the Block Site icon in the toolbar. Enter website URL you want to block and click Add. To edit or add new rules, go to Block Site Options. Block a website using Firefox's built-in settings. Open the app and type About Config in the address bar. Select Accept the risk and continue to proceed. Search for the network.dns.block list and click the plus icon next to it. Enter a website URL that you want to block and click Add. Restart Firefox to apply the changes. Block a website on mobile using LeechBlock NG. Open the Firefox app on your mobile device. Search for the LeechBlock NG in the add-on store. Install and open the extension. Enter the website URL you want to block and set the blocking period. Now click Save to apply the changes. Block a website on Firefox by making a policy file. On your computer, find install location for the Firefox. It's usually found in Program C. Go to Files/Mozilla Firefox or C/Program Files/Mozilla Firefox. Create a new folder and name it Distribution. Leave that file open. Open Microsoft Notepad and add Include the website in the block section. Name the file policies.json and change the Save As type to All Files. Save the policies.json file to the newly created distribution folder on your computer. Now restart Firefox. You should now see the list of website in the policies.json file blocked. By following these step-by-step, you can take control of all your online experience and can ensure a safer browsing environment.